Hey, Elizabeth, thanks for jumping on a call with me today. I really appreciate you and taking some time to give us some feedback today. Could you tell everybody about your business? Tell everybody what kind of big machine you have there in the background and what you guys do exactly.
Yeah, so we're I Ride Equestrian Lifestyle. We run a four-head Tajima, and we focus primarily on the equine industry, farms, horse shows, things like that.
Awesome. And so you joined the Embroidery Business Accelerator. It's been almost 2 months. And can you tell me about your experience in our program so far?
I love it. I'm having so much fun. The group trainings are awesome. It's just so much fun to get to know everybody, and I've learned so much just in the last couple months that has, really helped our business. So.
Awesome. And can you tell me what's one of the high impact things that you've probably learned in the program so far?
Probably connecting with customers, but also organizing my customer orders and stuff. Just creating an efficient flow in our work order. So
awesome. So the group coaching's good. What's the accountability coaching like?
I love it. I like having that ability to, connect with somebody on a weekly basis, but also, even though I work for myself, I still have to answer to my coach, and he's always got great suggestions and things to look into, and things that I just never thought about either. So.
Awesome. And what's the community like as far as the other students and the message threads and things like that?
Oh my gosh, everybody's so welcoming. They're so nice and, so supportive and offer suggestions. And it's really like a big family. It really is.
Heck yeah, that's really cool. Okay, awesome. And so if somebody was thinking about going ahead and jumping into our program, what would you tell them?
I would say do it. It's so worth it. You get so much out of it. And things that not only help with your business, but life in general. The organizing and scheduling and stuff has made life so much easier. So yeah, awesome. I would say do it.
Awesome. Anything else that you might just mention as a side note or anything? Or
it's just a lot of fun. There's just things that I just, being in the embroidery industry for, over 10 years and owning my own business for the last few years, there's just things that I just never thought about. And, with our group chats and stuff like that, people are asking questions that I never thought about and giving suggestions that are really cool and things like that. So, yeah.
Awesome. I really appreciate your time, Elizabeth, jumping on a call with me. Look forward to talking to you again, and we'll see you later.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah.